So today, I've been really craving some pizza, but because I've been on this gluten-free diet and dairy-free diet, it's been hard. But I found this pizza base, which is gluten-free, and it's also wheat-free and lactose-free, which is amazing. So I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully it turns out good. It looks fine, like a real pizza base. So I'm gonna make a vegan pizza today with this pizza base. I'm inspired by this famous pizza spot back in Berkeley. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. A courgette and some corn. And I also got this vegan cheese. So I actually never tried vegan cheese before. I wonder if it's actually going to taste like cheese and if it will have that cheese texture. Looking at the picture, it looks like it will be very cheesy, which is good. But we'll see how this one tastes. I'm very excited to try it. Hopefully it tastes like real cheese. And then I also got some chives and rocket over here to top it off for that extra crunch. So I have my pizza base ready. First, I will add a little bit of olive oil and my courgettes. Then some corn. Then the vegan cheese. Okay. So this pizza is ready for the oven now. It's looking good. So I'll add some chives. Hello. So today I'll be making a new recipe. I got inspired by a YouTube video that I watched, and I'll link that video down below. But because I wanted to make it vegan and gluten-free friendly, I've swapped out some of the ingredients. But today we'll be making some buckwheat sam or 메밀 sam, or another way we can also say it's a buckwheat crepe filled in with yummy vegetables. So first, I have this Root Health buckwheat flour that I got. So this will be the main ingredient. And in the original recipe, she used cornstarch or potato starch, I believe. But I'm trying to stay away from corn and potato right now. So instead, I'm using this cassava flour. You can also use tapioca flour, which can act as a starchy agent. So we'll be using that. And for my vegetables, I got a random assortment here. So I got some celery for a nice little crunch, some cabbage, just give some salad meat mix here. I got some spinach, cucumber, and mooli, which is radish. And last but not least, these baby king oyster mushrooms. I will cook these in kind of a sweet and salty sauce just to give that flavor. So first, I'll be making the buckwheat mixture to make the crepes. So I'm just kind of winging it. So first, let's get some whole buckwheat flour in here. I will use some cassava flour as a starch ingredient. This is 1/4 cup. So let's see if that works. And just a pinch of salt. And for water, I think she used almost the same amount of the buckwheat flour she used. So I'll start with about a cup. Let's see how that mixture looks. Okay, I think it definitely needs more water. Adding a little bit of avocado oil. So here I have the baby mushroom with a little bit of avocado oil. I'll be adding a little bit of coconut aminos. Or if you're not in a gluten-free diet, then feel free to just use soy sauce. And instead of regular sugar, I'll be using date sugar. But if you don't have that, just feel free to use regular sugar or coconut sugar. And just a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, so I have everything ready. I have these, which are the crepes, which in a long form. Some salad mix and cabbage, shredded cabbage in here. Some of that little mushroom, celery, radish, and cucumber. So now I'll be assembling them. Forgot to mention, so the video I saw, she used kind of a soy sauce based dressing with lemon, but I had some hummus left and I thought it would actually taste really good with hummus. So I'll be using hummus instead. I have my little crepe ready and I'll add a little bit of hummus.